What's up, guys? It's your boy Jackie Chan, and today we got a big haul. Smiskies and Sonny Angels. We're gonna do an unboxing. Shout out to my local gift shop for giving me a good price on these. First one we have is the Smiski Hippers. Eat a tacky mass. We got Mr. I see you. Very nice. So these you stick on your phone. On back of your phone. Alright, next one. Oh, we got Mr. Splooter. Oh, this is my favorite one. Oh my gosh, Mr. Splooter from the Smiski Hippers. So these are the ones you can get. We got Mr. Splooter and Mr. Peeker. Nice. On to the next one. Alright, so this is our third Hipper. Let's see which one we get. We got, oh, Mr. Sleepy Smiski. Very nice. Alright, next one. Please no repeats. Next one we got is, oh, Mr. Underwear. That's cute. So these are the four we got. Mr. Sleepyhead, Mr. Undies, Mr. Splooter, my personal favorite, and Mr. Peekaboo. Where my hug at? Where my hug at? Nice. As you can see, somebody is very addicted to this stuff. I'm not gonna say who. Alright, on to the next one. We're gonna do some unboxing of Sonny Angel. These are the ones you can get. Let's bust into it. I'm gonna need some assistance. Christmas came early. Christmas came early. This is somebody's Christmas present to themselves, I bet. Alright, bust it open. Let's see what we get. Sonny Angel. Bada bing. We got, oh, Mr. Acorn Head. That's a cute one. Mr. Acorn Head. Oh, that's a good one. That is a good one. That is the Sonny Angel Flowers series. Acorn's a flower? I didn't know that. Alright, next one we're going to open the Sonny Angel Animal series. That is one of my personal favorite series. I like all the ones that you can get. I think they're all very good. Just to show the viewers, these are the ones you can get. All of them are good, so you can't go wrong with any one of these. Let's see what we get. We got, oh, Red Pandy. Is that Red Pandy? Oh, that's the one my intern wanted. Xiaomi me. Focus. Awesome. Good pull. Good pull. My intern has great pulls when it comes to Sonny Angels. Next. You want to finish the Sonny Angel and then move to Mofusand? Alright, so this one's the dog series. It kind of messed it up. Again, all of these are super duper cute. Bust it open. Thanks again, everybody, for tuning in to another episode of Unboxing. Shamimi, we got the woofer. Woof, woof, woof. Oh, that's so cute. We got the little doggy toy. That's amazing. That's a good one. Dinga dinga the Xiaomi. That might be copyrighted. Alright, down to the last two. We got Mofusand. I really like Mofusand. Those that you can get. Let's bust it open. Let's see what we get, folks. We got Mr. Oh, this is the one my intern didn't want. Ha ha ha. I'll take this one. He's still very cute. Xiaomimi, Xiaomimi, Xiaomimi. Alright, last one, folks. Thanks again for tuning in to another episode of Unboxing. This time we got some Smiskis, Sonny Angels, and some Mofusands. You might have seen our Pokemon video. Thanks again for tuning into that. And all my other unboxings and openings. Alright guys, last one. Let's see which Xiaomi Mi we get. We got the Shark Xiaomi Mi. Oh, this is a cute one. Alright guys, that's all we have. Thanks for tuning in to another episode. These are all the goodies that we got. That's all we have, guys. Ciao.